Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing ID Hot Wheels track again. Now, Kia, if you're watching this video, I know that the last video was funny, but don't even think about it. And please everybody, leave a like in the video and subscribe. Know how you hate hearing people saying this. Leave a like and subscribe to the video, but please, I need to. Please. It's important. Okay, let's get this thing done. Look how many cars I have, guys. I have so much. Come do this. This is the best car I have. And it is sick. Not saying sick like shit's sick. Because if it's sick, I can't ride it. But sick in the meaning of it's cool. Okay. Next, I'm dominate this one. You see my lightnings on the car? It's like, I don't know how it's doing it. I like it. Yeah, man. Didn't even use a booster. Okay. You earned that. Yeah, I really did need to earn that. But let's get staying down. Okay, what the heck is this car? One disgusting car. Oh, you think you have faster than me? How about this booster? How about a double booster? How about a triple booster? You gotta say, this car is pretty fast. Not fast by any. I like the sound. My brother's here. Yeah, the study of now, please. Okay. You see that speed, boys? Let's get this thing done. That is one chicken in the basket. Okay, that one was way too slow for me. Okay. I'm gonna stay a little bit quiet, guys. Let's do this. Stop a little bit, Jack. Trying to make a video here. What? All of these cars are locked. There's of these. Hold on. What's doors? Your shark hammer. I'm gonna get some sort of shark hammer for this. The worst part of this one. Almost lost. Okay guys, this gonna be a little bit risky. I don't think so I'm gonna do this thing, but we'll try. I'll say this car's gonna be a little bit fast. Just saying. Oh yeah, you can do that. Why did I do that? But why do I do this? Yeah! I want them to 100 miles per hour. Yeah, not too good for the hill. Gotta save some boosters for later. I won, man. Man, that was so hard. Oof. I didn't think I was gonna make it out of there. Yeah, Mosasaurus. I have this car. Guys, if you... Okay. Nice. If you haven't already, go check out Bakugan. There's so much good, and there's so much fun to play. If you don't play it, seriously, don't play it, but just buy them. They're a little bit expensive, but trust me, it's worth it. These toys are so cool. There's over 1,000 of them. Okay, the T-Rex. Why does it say T-Rex? Oh, the T-Rex challenge. I love T-Rexes. I think they're not good. No wonder you're doing those research because you're slow. Hello, T-Rex. Yeah, you think you can win me? Okay, guys, I think we have to might end the video. We'll be ending this race. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like on this video and subscribe. I hope you do, and that will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye. Hope you watch my video.